everybody, I'm at the beach. I'm in Montauk Beach. You guys remember I made potato pancakes a couple of years ago. And today I feel like doing something with the potatoes again. I love potato. Any dish is made with potato. I'm going to show you how to make Korean traditional potato dumpling soup. In Korean, 감자 옹심이. Today is so exciting. It's rainy. Drizzling sound of this rain. I love the sounds of nature. Let's go inside. And we have a small kitchen. I'm going to make delicious breakfast with this 3 potato. Let's go. First, I'm going to make anchovy kelp stock. How about you? Are you a vegetarian? You can use just the kelp stock. You can skip these anchovies or use vegetable stock. Large dried anchovies and dried kelp and also onion everywhere you can find. And also the radish. In order to come here, I have to bring this radish. I boiled water, 7 cups of water. So bring to a boil. Already I just boiled this hot water. We are going to use only 4 ounces. This is 4 ounces. Very thin. So that all delicious stuff is coming into the stock quickly. Onion, radish, onion, dried kelp, ½ ounce, 15 grams, and this anchovies, and remove head and guts. Pouch, anchovy stock pouch, and add this. Let's boil. 20 minutes over medium-high heat. Let's do potatoes. So this is actually 2 pounds. All these 3 guys are 2 pounds. Let's peel. Once you peel this, it's easily oxidized. I always keep this in cold water. 3 potatoes, all cleaned. Anchovy kelp stock smell really good, and it's already, my radish is really a little bit half translucent, but I need to cook 20 minutes, so just bubbling, hand cooking, and yummy. So now action! Grate this potato. Don't work too hard to crush the leftover stuff. We will use later, don't worry, don't throw away. Just dump in the cold water here. And next. I just did all 3. Potatoes, cotton cloth, and then large cotton cloth. You see, around the edge part is a little bit like brownish. This is natural, don't worry much. Look at that. Remove from the heat. 20 minutes passed. Let me taste. Good. Not fishy and sweet. Delicious and savory. So now, just let's go back to potatoes. And then, like this. You see? I will just rinse this and massage. All this starch is coming out. And that's, ooh, look at that. Already just the starch is here. I squeeze out tightly. I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. 10 minutes after, on top is like around brownish water. And under the brownish water, just the starch is just sunk. That's what I need to use. And I'm going to show you inside. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. 10 minutes I will let it sit here. And meanwhile, we need to add some little bit vegetables here. I will add some green onion and zucchini and also carrot and also garlic. 1 or 2 green onion. This zucchini, just a little bit. Zucchini, about half cup. Matchsticks and carrot. Quarter cup. And don't forget these potato pieces. Just slice it. And 2 cloves of garlic. Let's crush together. Come over here, help me. Help me. So garlic, all these guys are in one spot. So easy, isn't it? So remove anchovy. This house has no strainer. But who am I? I should be able to do anything with just available old kitchenware. So I'm going to, strain this way. When you guys make anchovy kelp stock, the kelp is really expanded. And also radish. Radish is still tasty. All edible, all edible. And let's squeeze out. So let's see how many cups. 1. Exactly 4 cups. I will add half cup water. I will add 1 teaspoon plus a quarter teaspoon salt. Meanwhile, all this is separated. And let's pour out water only. On the bottom, you see white starch. And then we're gonna add this quarter teaspoon salt. Action time! I'm going to make balls. You see? Look at that. This is starch. The starch make it chewy. So basically, you saw that I didn't use anything else, just the potato and with salt. That's all. See, so we made a lump. Let's make a potato dumpling, which is potato balls. And just a little bit like this. The size of balls, it depends on you, but quail egg size. So fun making this. That's 28. Here. So now that my stock is boiling, so 3 minutes passed. You see balls are floating. Add all these vegetables and garlic together. Here you go. And then Sesame oil. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. Look at that. Bowl's a little bit translucent. Homemade kimchi. It reminded me of my video, the shrimp, grilled shrimp on salt. You remember? At that time, it's night time, we filmed this and it really storms here. But today is a rainy day, very nice and cozy inside, I like all kind of weather. Let's see, 감자 옹심이. So pretty. Surface is not very smooth. That means that it's made with grated potato. Wherever I go, I like to bring my own kimchi. This texture is like rice cake, chewy rice cake. Amazing. Today, we made potato dumpling soup. In Korean, 감자 옹심이. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.